Today we have gathered here to give the certificates for the completion of the beginners and intermediate camps for Fit for Life coaching camp for the intermediate and beginners students. I'm very happy as president of Goa Swimming Association to be here, to be part of Fit for Life. They have been doing a very good job. They have been able to get a lot of students into swimming, and I wish them all the best. Also, Goa Swimming Association will take all the possible efforts to support such camps so that more and more students take part in swimming. And we can see that for the recently concluded state championship, we saw that swimming competitors, the entries have increased by a lot of students have come for state championships, and that is all because of such camps. In addition to the Learn to Swim and other camps done by the SAG, such private camps also help in getting more and more students to start swimming.
Kids, I will be very pleased rather than seeing only gold medals and other medals and championships. Alright? So for us, it is not only about how many medals you win and how many records you break. Okay? At the end of the day, it's how strong, how independent, how accountable person you become. Alright? I hope you all are paying attention. There's no tuitions. This is my favorite line to them for this. Okay? There's no tuitions for this. Okay?
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.